Welcome back to Endangered Species Spotlight. Yes, I'm sitting on my counter. Fight me. This week we are talking about the Gobi bear. The Gobi bear is a subspecies of grizzly or brown bear that is found only in the Gobi Desert in Mongolia. They are related to the brown slash grizzly whatever bears that are found in Europe and North America, but they are a lot smaller and generally overall scrawnier than them. Not to say that they're like, oh, this is a cringe fail weak ass bear. No, it's still a bear, it'll still fuck you up. So these bears are the only type of bear that is adapted to fully live in a desert environment. There are some black bears that live like close to or around deserts or like desert adjacent, but these are the only types of bears in the world that are fully adapted to desert environments. Unfortunately, the Gobi bear is considered to be critically endangered, with less than 50 individuals left in the wild and currently none in captivity, which is not great. That is not a large amount of bears. That is a very small bear population. Some of the major threats to these, they were a while ago way overhunted because people thought they were a threat to humans and livestock, even though they weren't very much, but like no more than like a regular bear, but they were way overhunted, which dramatically reduced their population. As with pretty much everything, they are also at risk from habitat loss for like building roads and like agriculture, like farms and stuff. It is taking up, it's infringing on their already pretty small habitat. Additionally, as with most bears except for polar bears and panda bears, they are omnivores, which means they eat plant matter and animal matter. However, with a bunch of agriculture, like agriculture increasing and growing massively, the native plants that the bears eat, as well as the native plants that the food that the bears eat, no, that didn't make sense. The plants that the prey eats, that the bear then eats, is also decreasing. That only made a little bit more sense, but hopefully you get what I'm talking about. Overall, there are less plants, so less things can eat those plants. That's what I was trying to say. So there's less plants available for the bears and other animals in the Gobi Desert, which is a desert, so it doesn't have a lot of plants to begin with. Yeah, they're not allowed to be hunted anymore. They're now very protected, so it is illegal to kill one of these guys. But yeah, habitat loss is a big one, as well as like spread out so they don't meet up very much. As always, there are conservation efforts that I will link to, but hopefully these guys will pick up because it's very cool. They're the only desert bear, and it would be very sad if they went extinct.